Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to go from a bum to a baddie. And I'm also going to be eating because I'm freaking hungry.
Bitch, me too! The fuck?
And I feel like it's not very sanitary to eat while doing your makeup.
But do I care? No.
So, yeah. I'm just going to be showing you how I do my makeup and transform this into something completely different that you'll see at the end of the video. So I'm going to start with my foundation and powder and everything, and then I'm going to eat, maybe. Actually, let me just eat a little bit now. Okay, so what I have to eat is I have sushi, steak, and some like crab ragoons, which are so freaking good. And honestly, I'm not going to be able to finish all this, but I wanted to get a lot of food because like it's a mukbang, you gotta go all out. So that was so good, oh my god. Okay, so the foundation that I use like every day, this is like my everyday makeup basically, but I only do my makeup like twice a week, so I can't say every day. So it's my go-to makeup tutorial. And so I use the Estee Lauder foundation. It's like double wear. Literally, yes, I've slept in my makeup before, so I know this. Literally, it stays on your face the same exact way all night, and it'll be, oh shit, I forgot to moisturize, but it'll look the same when you wake up. That doesn't mean you should keep it on for the whole rest of the other day, which I have done that too, and it turns into literal crap, so don't do that. But I don't know, this foundation is like everything. Like, it's not super matte, it's not super dewy, and it's not gonna like start to like come off of your face. It doesn't budge. Yeah, I love it. Can't say anything bad about it. But I just moisturize my face with this Cetaphil. And get the one, if you use this, get the one with the face on it. You don't want just the body one, because you just don't. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've literally never really used any other concealer besides this one. So I don't know any other better concealers because I haven't used any. But I love it. It's a good color. And they don't have very many colors, but really you don't need that many, I guess. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But my color is fair neutral. So if you're as pale as me but like to look a little bit tan, you could do that. So literally I just blend this in really quickly, because I don't care how it looks, because I'm gonna set it with powder anyway and it's gonna change. So I put it, I don't really need to put it on my forehead, but I do anyway because I don't know why. That's just what I've seen. So I do it. Okay, now taking my beauty blender, I'm gonna get my Maybelline loose setting powder, in the color Light, and just like dip my beauty blender in it and take it right under my eye. And this literally makes it like set so flawlessly, and it looks like airbrushed, and I kind of just like pat out my eyelids so that there's no creases and then set that. And yeah, I go kind of fast because I just like, you can fix it if it's messed up, like it's not that big of a deal. Okay, and sometimes I will like take my beauty blender and set the rest of my face with it, but that takes too long, so I'm not doing that. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna get powder all over my food. So now I just take my It Cosmetics brush. I don't know. It's the big one. I don't know what it's called. But someone's calling me. No. 1 second. So my best friend came over for a second. He's a photographer, so he was gonna help me film, but there's nothing to help me with, so he left. And I just finished my setting powder, and my dog is standing here staring at me. He's so weird, but I love him. Okay. So what I do to get the foundation off my lips is I just like kind of lick my lips, and this foundation ain't coming off on your tongue, so don't be scared to just like lick it. I literally just take a Q-tip while my lips are wet and just like rub it off. And I do this before I put on bronzer and highlight, because I don't want it to get messed up. So I just do that, and then I get my Aquaphor and just put it on. This drink is like so loud. It's not even that good. But you know, if you put if you get like lime sparkling water and then put it in a cup with ice and add more lime, it actually tastes really good. So there's a little hack. Also, another hack, if you can't freaking use chopsticks like me and they're wooden, don't take them apart. Like, don't take this part apart. Just kind of open them with your middle finger a little bit and pinch it, and like literally you're using a chopstick. Best hack ever. And my freaking camera's gonna die soon. So I need to hurry. Okay. For bronzer, I use the Hoola bronzer. And I think there's only one shade of this. So you can darken it as much as you want. So I literally just put it under my cheekbone, like really fast. I don't really care how this part looks, because I have no idea also what brush this is. It's broken too, so. But it's my favorite, so I can't stop using it. And putting it under your freaking jaw like defines your jawline so much better than it already is. And I just put it on my nose. And then on my forehead. And like honestly, it probably looks bad, but I can't tell, so. Because like a few years ago, I thought my makeup looked good, and honey, no it did not. No one told me that it looked really bad. And then my eyebrows were too dark and too big or too thin or whatever. So okay. So for highlight, I use the Tarte in the color Stunner. Literally, this is like the best highlight I've ever used. It's like if it would focus. Oh my god. Honestly, I hate using so much highlight because it leaves like a dark line on my cheek. And I don't know why. I think it's because it's a little bit too dark for me, but whatever. Who the hell cares? Okay. So now I get my MAC Fix Plus spray, and literally this has gone up $10 since the first time I bought it. The first time I bought it, it was $18. Now it's $28. I'm like, oh my god, I can't afford this anymore, girl. But like no other setting spray, in my opinion, leaves your face like really smooth looking. Like this one kind of just makes all the powder on top of your little like facial hairs, I guess, go away. Like, so none of it looks really powdery and it just looks amazing. I'm like forgetting to eat because I'm freaking doing my makeup. Let me eat while this dries. Literally look like I'm sweating so much because I just ran a marathon to my fridge. Okay, so I'm not gonna film me doing my eyebrows because that would take way too long. So I'll see you when I'm done.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm back. My eyebrows are done. I'm feeling more myself. Now all I have left to do is my eyeshadow and lashes. I don't know yet if I'm gonna do false lashes or if I'm just gonna do them with just mascara, because that's usually how I always do it. I never really wear lashes. Yeah, fuck that. I'm not wearing lashes. Okay, so I already ate most of my food, so I'm just not even gonna eat anymore while filming because it's taking too long. But the eyeshadow, I always use is in this little Tarte palette. It's this one, the one that's most used, and it's called Rebel, and it's just like a really pretty I don't even know, like it's kind of like a purple reddish brown, and I really like that because I think it goes good with like my complexion. But so I don't really like cool tones on me, so I just stick with like browns and pinks and reds and stuff like that. So, and I don't even go in with a base color or anything like that. I just go straight in with this color. And I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette. So this is like the only brush I use. It's my favorite eyeshadow brush. So yeah, that's good enough. All right. Now I take my favorite Tweezerman eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. Okay, so now my favorite parts. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite ride or die go-to, never will use another mascara. So this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and oh my god. This thing makes my lashes so long. My lashes are already naturally long, but it makes it to where they're like voluminous, they're luscious, they're full, they're spread apart. Honestly, I've had so many bottles of this. It's insane, and I still have them all. I'll show you guys one day. I always miss the freaking tube, and I get it all over my fingers. But I just put it on the bottom lashes first. Ooh, that makes such a big difference. Like, holy crap, let me just zoom in. Like, I like to let it dry a little bit so that I'm not just constantly adding it on like with the wet eyelashes, because it'll never do what you want it to do. You have more control when it's a little bit dried. So I just let it dry. And honestly, I would put on lashes if I was gonna do like, if I wasn't going to work today, I would put on lashes. But your girl gotta go to work, and when I'm at work, I always feel like they're gonna fall off. And like, what if it's like coming off and I'm talking to a customer? Ain't nobody gonna like that. I'm gonna be over here looking ratchet. So I just put on some more of this chapstick. I don't wear anything on my lips except for chapstick and maybe sometimes some gloss, but I just really don't like wearing like lipstick or anything on my lips. I don't know, I feel like I look weird. So now I'm gonna add a second coat to the first eye. And honestly, I'll keep putting on coats and letting it dry until I fully feel like it's going to be good enough for me. But right now I'm gonna end the video right here because my camera is about to die. So this is the finished look. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below if you want more videos like this. Love you guys. Bye.